Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your Vivo model and OS version match the steps. This prevents incompatible installs. Once done, backup contacts and messages to cloud or local storage so you can revert if needed. Now open Settings and go directly to System Management or Additional Settings. That's where Emoji and keyboard options live. I'm not wasting time on generic setup. Instead, you're already in the correct menu to change display and input preferences for emoji style. Next, you'll choose the emoji source. If the theme store or font settings show emoji packs, tap to preview and install. These replace system glyphs. If not, install a third-party keyboard like Gboard or SwiftKey. They provide modern emoji sets and frequent updates. Once installed, make that keyboard your input method and grant needed permissions. Input method access, and any full access requests. This ensures the keyboard can render emojis correctly and sync preferences. Make sure to test in messages after switching. Finally, set the new keyboard or installed emoji pack as default and reboot the phone to force system refresh. This helps the OS apply glyph changes everywhere. After reboot, open Messages, WhatsApp, and social apps to confirm emojis look consistent. If you see mixed styles, clear the keyboard app cache and data, or reinstall the keyboard. Sometimes old caches persist. If problems continue, restore your backup and try a different keyboard or a theme store pack. That single troubleshooting step usually fixes incompatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.